Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about articles. What are the articles and when do we use them? وقتاش نستعملوهم? It is a lesson that you need to watch. So follow with me. As you see in this picture, we have the articles. We have a, it is pronounced as weak a. Then we have n and the. And these dots represent no article, zero article, ما كاش. Things to consider. من بين الحاجات اللي تاخدوهم بعين الاعتبار هي the pronunciation كيما grammar rules and vocabulary. كي تحسن من pronunciation تاعك هنا automatically راح تخليك you feel like more comfortable. وهنا لازم تعرف النطق الصحيح تاع the vowels اللي هما O, U, E, I and A. النطق الصحيح يخلي الناس تفهم بطريقة صحيحة وماشي بطريقة غلطة. خاطر علاش الكلمات يتشابهوا دوكا نتايا تقدر تكون تعني هذيك الكلمة اللي راهي في راسك بصح you pronounce it otherwise تنطقها بطريقة أخرى and the listener will understand it as disrespectful يقدر يخليك ويروح normal وعلاش he thinks that you said this and that. Okay? So ديروا مليح في بالكم باللي the good pronunciation will make you more confident and this will allow you to participate in conversations. So the articles consist of indefinite articles and definite articles. In the indefinite articles we have two. We have a and n. And the definite article we have just one. We have the. First we are going to deal with a and n, which are indefinite articles. هما أدوات غير معرفة. Remember, the articles are used with nouns before nouns. So, what is a noun? A noun can be a thing, can be a place, or it can be an animal. This is a noun. هذا هو the noun and no. In nouns we have singular and plural. Singular, for example, a ring. In plural we say two rings. A dog, three dogs, for example. A teacher, a group of teachers. An egg, a basket of eggs. An apple, 5 apples. هنايا كسوسوا we have to put E or ES. Okay? It depends here. Examples: a banana, an apple, a cat, an egg, an ant. The word when it starts with a consonant كيما B, C, F, etc. we put the article a. But when the noun starts with a vowel like A, E, U, O, we cannot say an apple, but we say an apple. We put the N article, okay? And when you pronounce an apple, it will sound like one word. ديروا لا liaison هكا باش يولي كلمة واحدة. An apple. Let's have examples. I am reading a book. In plural, وش نقولوا? I am reading books. I bought a t-shirt yesterday. I bought 2 t-shirts yesterday. I ate an apple an hour ago. I ate 3 apples an hour ago. I'm reading an interesting book. I've read interesting books. So هنايا when I read just one book, one t-shirt, one apple, one interesting book, هنايا سبقت لهم the article سواء a or n. Okay? It means here I don't know which book ولا which t-shirt ولا which apple exactly I'm talking about. It's just an apple. إنها مجرد تفاحة or a book. Okay? Okay, so let's move to the definite article the. The is pronounced in two ways. The and the. Okay, so it's pronounced the because when we have the noun starts with a consonant. كيما book. Book يبدأ بالب. So, the book. But when the noun starts with a vowel, for example, the egg. ما نقدرش نقولوا the egg. No, but we say the egg. The apple. Okay, example. I am reading the book. I am eating the apple. What's the difference between the and n? For example here, I am reading the book. It's not the same as I am reading a book. Why? كي نقولك I'm reading the book, I know which book I'm talking about. I can give you the title. Okay? نقدر نعطيك العنوان. But when I say I am reading a book, it means it's just a book. مهم أني نقرأ. It's just I'm reading. كيما the same thing for I ate the apple and I ate an apple. I just ate an apple. It doesn't matter, but when I say I ate the apple, it means the listener knows exactly what apple I ate. يعرف exactement هذاك المستمع وش من التفاحة اللي كليت. I bought the car. I bought a car. When I say I bought the car, it means the listener knows which car I'm talking about, which car I bought, وش من الطوموبيل اللي شريت. But when I say I bought a car, it means that it's just a car. نستعملوا the to talk about a thing known to your listener. هذاك الشخص يعرف على من راك تهدر. For example, can you answer the phone? تليفون راهي يصوني, the phone rings, so I know which phone is ringing. Okay, the one which is on the table. Another example, this is the watch that my sister gave me for my birthday. To talk about unique things, we have just only one for this object or this person. Okay, let's start first with the things. We have the sun. We know that there is only one sun. عندنا شمس وحدة. Similarly, نفس الشيء مع the moon, the sky, the world, the universe. Examples: the sun rises in the east. Yusuf has traveled all over the world. نستعمل the to refer to nature or the environment in general. نحب نهضر على الطبيعة ولا البيئة. For example, we have the words the countryside, الريف, the town, the mountains, the seaside, the beach, the weather. Examples: I enjoy spending time in the countryside. ما نقولوش in a countryside. No, but we say the countryside. It is definite. Every year we go to the Georgia mountains. I love the weather in the desert. We use the with some objects of common experience in our lives. تجارب تصرى في حياتنا دايما وتصرى لقاع الناس. The park, the gym, the phone, the newspaper, the shower, the toilet. with some types of media مثلا the radio, the press, الصحافة, the media. Examples باش تفهموا مليح. I met her in the park last year. ما تقدرش تعرف which park بصح it doesn't matter, okay؟ ما يهمش because the park is a common experience تجربة الناس قاع تعرفها والناس قاع ترى لها. The same thing for مثلا did you read the newspaper this morning? He likes to sing in the shower. I don't listen to the radio. هذو common experiences يصراونا دايما, isn't it? We use the also in some time expressions. عبارات نستعملهم لتحديد فترة معينة من الوقت أو الزمن. We have in the morning, the afternoon, the evening, the day before yesterday, the day after tomorrow, the summer, نقولوا in the summer ولا during the summer, the winter, the spring, the fall, the past, the present, the future, the 18th century, the 1960s ولا the 60s. Examples of the time expressions. Kids hate getting up early in the morning. ما نقولوش in a morning because it is a time expression we use the. I was in my friend's wedding the day before yesterday. We love to go swimming in the summer. We must learn our lessons from the past and work towards the future. This house was built in the 60s.